See what is happening here.
Sam,
See,
you don't give her.
see how this grand spoiler. See how he just come near human being collecting food. He will collect. He will learn to one. He will learn to angle, eat it, and come back. You see him? Chibike, stop working very hard.
You never eat.
I want to eat that one finish. Wow, what a creature. What a creature. What a creature. See where he is. Sitting down very quietly, feeding himself. And after, he will come back and collect this one. Imagine. And the thing don't even fear.
Know this man.
Wow.
The man don't know get him.
Wow.
Osa.
Yes, Osa.
But if you catch him now.
Yeah, ọ bụ na ndị be anyị na-eburu ya lie.
Better food, if you go catch him.
Chinonye, come this side. Chinonye. Chinonye, go with them. Go with them. Chinonye, go with them. Go with them. Oh my God. Just watch. Just watch. Without fear. With boldness. With boldness. No fear. No fear. He don't come out. He want to finish eating this one. He will come back. Oh my goodness. Oh my, this one is just behaving like we humans. He finish eating, he will come back. Imagine. Just imagine. He just wants a tranquil place without disturbance. As he eat finish, he will come back. Don't go there. Don't go there. I say don't go there.